Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use Elementor header widget from free page builder plugin. So as you can see in my WordPress setup, I have this free version of plugin installed. I have not installed pro version. Okay, so everything that you see here will be usable through free plugin as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit one page in Elementor. So here you can see I have this sandbox page which I can edit through Elementor, and once opened in Elementor I can check for the heading widget from the left, okay, and simply drop it on page, and here you see it says add your heading text here, so you can add it from here or here. So let's see, help folder, Elementor, heading widget. Okay, and here you can edit its h1 or h2 tag, you can center it, also you can stylize it with text color, make it, let's see, reddish. Okay, you can also check for online palettes and then add that color, add shadow if you want. Okay, and then also check for font. Let's see, if I want to use any Google font I can do that, or simply go with the system font. So let's see if I go with Argo font. Okay, so Argo font here looks something like this, which is kind of not so cool. So let's go with something simple. You can also adjust width and height, style, and letter spacing. Apart from that, you can also do the advanced setting like margin, padding, Z index, also motion effects. So let's see if I add in let's see, bouncing in, it will look something like this. You can change background, border, and few other elements as well. Simply click on update and then you can preview the change. Okay, here you can see your heading widget is now bouncing in. So you get the idea how to use heading widget from Elementor free page builder.